Topping the news at 5:30, a guilty plea today in a cold case killing that has gone unsolved for 16 years. Senior correspondent Rich Newberg is here to tell us what finally led to justice in this case. Rich?
Buffalo police and the Erie County DA's office reopened this case thanks to advances in DNA testing. The victim's family has been waiting a long time for justice.
How you couldn't find her 15 years ago?
For the Whetstone family of Buffalo, it's been 16 agonizing years since Teresa Whetstone died after being slashed in the throat with a box cutter outside the Big Bosch's store on Jefferson Avenue.
Part of me died with my child, and I never recover from that. I live it over and over every day.
More than 16 years later, DeLisha Smith has now admitted slashing Teresa Whetstone on July 2nd, 1994, after the two had been fighting.
My sister fell on the ground. She pulled her head up and cut her throat. That's how it was told to me.
Smith had been confronted with DNA evidence that, through new testing, linked her to the crime. She admitted her guilt to a first-degree manslaughter charge.
She has a lot of remorse. She's glad to get this off her back.
She stopped my life. What about...
This has been an emotional and wrenching week for the victim's family. DeLisha Smith had been expected to confess her guilt on Monday, but the proceeding was delayed when Smith asked for more time to make provisions for her 13-year-old daughter.
You admit to killing someone, cutting someone's throat, and then you're able to walk out of here and decide, well, I'll be back Friday. I don't understand, why isn't she in handcuffs?
Things fell through on Monday, which is not unusual. It's not unusual for a defense attorney to ask for an adjournment.
But Smith was now led out of Judge Penny Wolfgang's courtroom in handcuffs, awaiting sentencing in March.
I hope she gets the maximum. I really do, because I don't care what. No time in the world to bring my child back.
I'm hoping for 25 years. I'm 32. My mother was 31.
I just want to get the maximum sentence allowed. The max. I'm glad it's over.
Under 1994 law, when the crime took place, DeLisha Smith could serve a minimum of 2 to 6 or a maximum of 8 1/3 to 25 years in prison. Sentencing is March 25th. Reporting live, Rich Newberg, News 4 at 5:30.